What else can I use to clean my wound after double eyelid surgery? Recently, I had double eyelid surgery when I went back to Vietnam. I am told to clean my wound every day. I am given Natri Clorid 0.9% and Povidine. I clean my wound every day, twice a day. I ran out of Natri Clorid, so what do you recommend to use? The products are only sold in Vietnam.
Thank you for your question. You submitted a question without photos, but you're basically describing a situation where you went to Vietnam to have Asian eyelid surgery, and that you were given something called natrichloride and povidone for daily cleaning of your upper eyelids. And you want to know if there's an alternative to natrichloride because it's only sold in Vietnam, and you're not there anymore. So certainly I can give you some guidance on this question. I'm a board-certified cosmetic surgeon and a fellowship-trained oculofacial plastic and reconstructive surgeon. I specialize in, among several things, Asian eyelid surgery, and I've been in practice for over 20 years in Manhattan and Long Island. So I think that essentially your doctor's intention is to make sure that the sutures remain clean in terms of crust and sterile to avoid, or at least to be sterilized to avoid infection. And so you were given this combination of a sodium chloride solution, or sterile saline, and povidone or iodine solution to clean the incisions. This is something different than what we do in our practice. I basically have our patients just wash their face normally, and they apply antibiotic ointment to the stitches, and then we take the stitches out in about a week. So essentially, if you want to follow the regimen as advised by your doctor, then finding a sterile sodium chloride solution wherever you live should be fairly straightforward. You should be able to get it at a local pharmacy without a prescription. I think your best option is to just find a local pharmacy and ask about this, and you should be able to get something to help keep the area clean. I would also suggest contacting the doctor, and it may be possible for you to just use an antibiotic ointment as we do in our practice, because that's also an option to just maintain a clean area and to help the incision heal before sutures are removed. That is probably the simplest thing. Natri chloride is basically sterile saline or sodium chloride. This question essentially is very, very straightforward in finding an alternative to a brand name for something that's pretty generic. So I hope that was helpful. I wish you the best of luck, and thank you for your question.